Welcome and a beautiful morning. Hello and welcome to Read, Learn, Listen, your friendly place to practice English every day. Today, we will enjoy a story called A Perfect Day in the City. This lesson is made especially for A2 English learners. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence after you hear it. Shadowing is a wonderful way to improve your pronunciation, speaking, and listening skills. When you repeat the sentences, try to copy the rhythm and intonation. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Practice every day and you will see great progress. Imagine a calm and beautiful morning. The sun is rising slowly and soft light comes through the window. I wake up early in the morning and feel fresh and relaxed. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. The air feels cool and clean. I stretch my arms and legs and smile because I know that today will be a wonderful day. I sit up in my bed and look around my room. My room is simple and comfortable. There is a small table next to my bed, and on the table there is a lamp and a book. I like to read before I sleep, so the book is always near me. I check the time on my phone. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I feel happy because I have enough time to enjoy my day without any stress. After a few minutes, I get out of bed and walk slowly to the window. I open the curtains and look outside. The city is just waking up. I can see people walking on the street and cars moving quietly. The sky is blue with a few white clouds. Birds are singing in the trees, and their sweet sounds make me feel calm and peaceful. I take another deep breath and say softly to myself, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day." Next, I go to the bathroom to start my morning routine. I wash my face with cool water, and it makes me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth carefully while looking in the mirror. I smile at my reflection and feel positive about the day ahead. After that, I take a quick shower. The warm water relaxes my body and helps me feel ready for the day. When I finish, I return to my bedroom and choose my clothes. I decide to wear comfortable blue jeans and a clean white shirt. I also put on a light jacket because the morning air is still a little cool. After getting dressed, I feel confident and ready to begin my perfect day in the city. With a happy heart and a big smile, I leave my apartment and start my journey. Preparing breakfast. I walk into the kitchen and feel excited to prepare my breakfast. The kitchen is clean and quiet. Sunlight comes through the window and makes the room warm and bright. I enjoy this peaceful moment at the start of my day. Breakfast is important because it gives me energy and helps me feel strong and ready for my activities. First, I fill the kettle with water and turn it on to make a cup of hot tea. While the water is heating, I take 2 slices of bread and put them in the toaster. Soon, the bread becomes warm and golden brown. I spread a little butter and strawberry jam on the toast. The sweet smell makes me smile. Next, I take an apple from the fruit bowl and wash it carefully. I like to eat fresh fruit in the morning because it is healthy and delicious. Then I pour some milk into a glass and place everything on the table. My breakfast looks simple but very inviting. I sit down at the table and begin to eat slowly. I take a sip of my hot tea and feel relaxed. The toast is warm and crunchy, and the apple is sweet and fresh. While I eat, I check my phone and read a message from my friend Anna. She writes, "Good morning. Would you like to meet in the city today?" I feel happy and quickly reply, "Yes, that sounds great. Let's meet at the cafe at 10 o'clock." After finishing my breakfast, I clean the table and wash the dishes. I like to keep my home tidy because it helps me feel calm and organized. When everything is clean, I take my bag, check that I have my phone, wallet, and keys, and prepare to leave my apartment for a wonderful day in the city. Leaving home and walking to the bus stop. I put on my comfortable shoes and step outside my apartment building. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I take a deep breath and begin walking toward the bus stop.
The streets are becoming busy as people start their day. Some people are going to work, while others are taking their children to school. As I walk, I notice the small details around me. A man is walking his dog, and the dog happily wags his tail. A woman is riding her bicycle and smiling as she passes by. The trees along the street are green and full of life. Birds are singing in the trees, and their sweet sounds make me feel calm and peaceful. I take another deep breath and say softly to myself, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day." Soon I arrive at the bus stop. A few people are already waiting. I check the schedule and see that the bus will arrive in 5 minutes. I sit on a bench and enjoy the warm sunlight. When the bus finally arrives, I greet the driver with a friendly "Good morning" and take a seat by the window. As the bus moves through the city, I watch the buildings, shops, and parks pass by. I feel excited about meeting my friend and spending the day together. Arriving at the city center. After a pleasant bus ride, I finally arrived at the city center. The bus stops near a large square filled with people and activity. I carefully step off the bus and take a moment to look around. The city center is lively and full of energy. Tall buildings stand proudly on every side, and colorful shop windows attract the attention of people walking by. I begin to walk slowly through the square. Many people are moving in different directions. Some are going to work, while others are shopping or meeting friends. I can hear the sound of conversations, footsteps, and soft music from a nearby street performer. The atmosphere feels warm and welcoming. I enjoy observing the busy life around me. In the middle of the square, there is a beautiful fountain. Clear water flows gently, and children are playing nearby. I stop for a moment to watch them laugh and run around. Their happiness makes me smile. I take out my phone and check the time. It is almost 10 o'clock, which means it's time to meet my friend Anna at the cafe. As I walk toward the cafe, I pass several interesting shops. There's a bakery with the smell of fresh bread, a flower shop with bright and colorful flowers, and a bookstore with many books displayed in the window. Each place looks inviting, and I make a mental note to visit some of them later in the day. Soon I see the cafe at the corner of the street. It has large windows and small tables outside. People are sitting and enjoying their drinks. The atmosphere looks calm and friendly. I feel excited to meet Anna and spend the day together. With a happy heart, I walk toward the entrance of the cafe, ready for the next part of my perfect day in the city. Meeting Anna at the cafe. I open the door of the cafe and step inside. The warm air and the delicious smell of coffee welcome me immediately. Soft music is playing in the background, and the gentle sound creates a relaxing atmosphere. I look around and soon notice Anna sitting at a table near the window. She is smiling and waving at me. I walk toward her and greet her warmly. "Hello, Anna. It's so nice to see you," I say. She stands up and we give each other a friendly hug. "Hello, I'm so happy you could come," she replies. We both sit down and begin to talk about our morning. Anna tells me that she had a busy week at work and was looking forward to this relaxing day. A waiter approaches our table and asks what we would like to order. I choose a cup of cappuccino and a slice of chocolate cake. Anna orders a cup of tea and a small sandwich. While we wait for our order, we continue our conversation. We talk about our hobbies, our families, and our plans for the day. The conversation feels easy and enjoyable. Soon, the waiter brings our drinks and food. The cappuccino is warm and creamy, and the chocolate cake looks delicious. I take a small bite and smile. "This is wonderful," I say. Anna agrees and tells me that this cafe is one of her favorite places in the city. We eat slowly and enjoy every moment. As we finish our drinks, we decide to explore the city together. We plan to visit some shops, walk through the park, and have lunch later in the afternoon. Feeling happy and relaxed, we leave the cafe and step back into the lively streets, ready for the next part of our perfect day in the city.
Walking through the shopping streets. Anna and I begin our walk along one of the most popular shopping streets in the city. The street is wide and clean, with many attractive stores on both sides. Large glass windows display beautiful clothes, shoes, and accessories. People are walking slowly, looking at the displays and enjoying their time. We stop at a clothing store to look at the new collection. Inside, the store is bright and well organized. Soft music is playing, and the atmosphere feels comfortable. Anna finds a blue dress that she likes very much. She decides to try it on. While she is in the fitting room, I look around and notice a stylish jacket. Although I like it, I decide not to buy anything today. When Anna comes out of the fitting room, the dress looks perfect on her. "You look fantastic," I say. She smiles and decides to buy it. After making the purchase, we continue our walk. We visit a small souvenir shop where we see postcards, keychains, and handmade items. These objects remind us of the beauty and culture of the city. As we walk, we talk about our interests and share stories from our lives. The friendly atmosphere and our pleasant conversation make the time pass quickly. Shopping is not only about buying things, it is also about enjoying the experience and spending time with friends. Feeling cheerful and relaxed, we decide to visit a quiet bookstore next. Visiting a bookstore. We arrive at a charming bookstore located on a peaceful street. The shop has a warm and inviting appearance with wooden shelves and soft lighting. As we enter, the gentle smell of books creates a calm and comforting atmosphere. I always enjoy visiting bookstores because they are places of knowledge and imagination. Anna and I walk slowly between the shelves, looking at the different titles. There are books about travel, history, cooking, and literature. I find a simple English novel that looks interesting and decide to buy it to practice my reading. Anna chooses a beautiful notebook where she plans to write her thoughts and ideas. At the corner of the bookstore, there is a small reading area with comfortable chairs. We sit down for a few minutes and browse through our books. The quiet environment allows us to relax and enjoy the moment. Before leaving, we thank the shop assistant and step back into the street, feeling inspired and happy. Relaxing in the city park. After visiting the bookstore, Anna suggests that we go to the nearby city park. The park is a peaceful place filled with green trees, colorful flowers, and open spaces. As we enter, we immediately feel calm and refreshed. The sounds of the city become softer, replaced by the gentle singing of birds and the rustling of leaves. We walk along a small path and find a wooden bench near a beautiful lake. Ducks are swimming in the water and children are playing happily on the grass. We sit down and enjoy the peaceful scenery. The fresh air and warm sunlight make us feel relaxed. Anna and I talk about our dreams and future plans. She hopes to travel to different countries, while I would like to continue improving my English and meet people from around the world. Sharing our thoughts helps us feel closer and strengthens our friendship. After spending some quiet time in the park, we begin to feel hungry and decide to have lunch at a nearby restaurant. Enjoying lunch together. We leave the park and walk to a cozy restaurant not far away. The restaurant has a friendly atmosphere and a menu with many delicious options. A waiter greets us warmly and shows us to a table by the window. We sit down and look at the menu carefully. I decide to order grilled chicken with vegetables and a glass of fresh orange juice. Anna chooses a pasta dish and a bottle of mineral water. While waiting for our food, we continue our pleasant conversation.
Soon, the waiter brings our meals, and everything looks and smells wonderful. We eat slowly and enjoy every bite. The food is delicious, and the service is excellent. During lunch, we laugh and share many stories. These simple moments of connection make the day even more special. After finishing our meal, we thank the waiter and prepare to continue our exploration of the city. Visiting a small museum. After lunch, we decided to visit a small museum located nearby. The museum focuses on the history and culture of the city. Inside, the environment is quiet and educational. We walk through the different rooms and observe photographs, paintings, and historical objects. Each exhibit tells a story about the past. We read the short descriptions and learn many interesting facts. The visit helps us understand the city better and appreciate its rich heritage. Museums are wonderful places to learn and reflect, and we both enjoy this cultural experience. Watching street performers. When we leave the museum, we return to the lively square. A group of street performers is entertaining the crowd with music and dance. People gather around to watch and clap along with the rhythm. The performers' energy is contagious, and the atmosphere is joyful. Anna and I stand among the audience and enjoy the show. After the performance, we applaud and place a small donation in their hat to show our appreciation. The experience adds excitement and color to our perfect day. Afternoon coffee break. Later in the afternoon, we decide to take a short break at another cafe. We order coffee and a slice of cake and sit outside, enjoying the pleasant weather. The city looks beautiful in the soft afternoon light. We reflect on the wonderful moments we have shared so far. Enjoying dinner at a restaurant. As evening approaches, Anna and I choose a cozy restaurant for dinner. The warm lighting and gentle music create a relaxing atmosphere. We order our meals and talk about the highlights of the day. Dinner is delicious, and we feel grateful for our time together. Returning home in the evening. After saying goodbye to Anna, I walk to the bus stop and begin my journey home. The city lights shine brightly, and the streets feel calm. When I arrive home, I change into comfortable clothes and reflect on the beautiful experiences of the day. Reflection on a perfect day. Before going to bed, I think about everything that happened. It was truly a perfect day, filled with friendship, discovery, and joy. I feel thankful for these simple but meaningful moments. With a peaceful heart, I turn off the light and fall asleep, ready for another wonderful day tomorrow.